Hello friends, my name is Lisa Hital, Ashramik Vidyalaya Killa, Padi. Part 4. Getting up the train at Ranchi next morning. He realized at once that he had never been there before. दूसरे दिन क्या हुआ? वो ट्रेन में बैठकर कहाँ पहुँच गया? रांची. He came out of the station, took a taxi and drove around town for a while. गाँव पहुँचने के लिए वो टैक्सी की हेल्प ली. He realized that the streets, उसको जो स्ट्रीट था उसके बारे में उसको क्या हुआ? रियलाइज द बिल्डिंग्स, द होटल्स, द बाजार्स, द मोरबड़ी हिल, विथ नन ऑफ दिस हैड द स्लाइड्स acquaintance. Would he trip to Woodrow Falls help? He didn't believe so, but at the same time, he didn't wish to live with the feeling that he had tried to enough. So he arranged for a car and left for Woodrow in the आफ्टरनून. उसने टैक्सी की कार की हेल्प लेकर वो कहाँ दोपहर तक आफ्टरनून तक वो कहाँ पहुँच गया? हुड्रो. At 5 o'clock the same afternoon in Woodrow, two Gujarati gentlemen from a group picnic discovered Bipin Babu lying unconscious beside a boulder. When he came round, the first thing Bipin Babu said was, "I am finished, there's no hope left." Next morning, Bipin Babu was back to in Kolkata. Next morning पे बिपिन बाबू कहाँ पे गया? कोलकाता. He realized that there was truly no hope for him. उसके आप पर क्या होता था? Realized. Soon he would lose everything. जब उसको realized हुआ तब वो सब कुछ खो चुका था. His will to work, his confidence, his ability, his balance of mind. उसके माइंड से उसका जो वर्क, कॉन्फिडेंस, उसकी जो कार्य करने की क्षमता थी वो भी वो खो चुका था. बिपिन बाबू couldn't think anymore. अब बिपिन बाबू को लगता था कि मैं कुछ भी कर नहीं सकता हूँ. Back home, he rang up Dr. Chanda and asked him to come over. Then after a shower, he got into bed with an ice bag clamp on his head. Just then his servant brought him a letter which someone had left in the letter box, a greenish envelope with his name in red ink on it. Above the name it said, "Urgent and confident in spite of the condition." Bipin Babu had a feeling that he out of through the letter. He tore open the envelope and took out the letters. This is what he read. उसने एनवेलप खोला और एनवेलप में क्या लिखा था? Dear Bipin, I had no idea that abundance would bring about the kind of change in you that had gone. Was it too difficult for you help an old friend down to luck? I have no money, so my resources are limited. What I have imagination, a part of which I used to retribution of your unfailing behavior. Well, you will be all right again now. A novel I have written are being considered by a publisher. If he likes enough, it will see in Mro next few months. Yours, चुनीलाल. चुनीलाल ने किसको लिखा था? बिपिन को. When Dr. Chanda came, Bipin Babu said, "I am fine." It all came back as soon as I got off the train at Ranchi. जब डॉक्टर चंदा आई तब बिपिन बाबू ने बताया कि मैं कैसा हूँ. I am fine. A unique UK said Dr. Chanda. I shall certainly write about in a medical journal. The reason why I sent for you, said Bipin Babu, is that I have a pain in the hip from I had in Ranchi. If you could prescribe a painkiller. Okay, thank you.